Hello everyone, this is Danny from Holtop. We are welcome to Holtop webinar. I'm right now in Shanghai HVAC exhibitions, refrigeration exhibition hall. If you are in China, you're welcome to visit our booth. If you're not in China, it just doesn't matter. Then we are going to present of what we have in this exhibition. And right now, I'm going to present to you is the air-cooled water chiller. Okay, you see this unit. Air-cooled water chiller, it is our new developed model, which is to suit the customer market needs. And okay, so let's have a look at this unit. This kind of unit is 65 kilowatts cooling capacity modular water chiller. It is air-cooled. And first of all, please allow me to introduce their main components and its feature. Okay, first of all, it is a compact design. As you see, the condenser of the unit is eight. We call them air brick number 8 design. As you see from here, so the air can be heat transfer from all direction of this chiller, and to have high efficiency recovery or high efficiency heat transfer of this unit. Okay, and then let's talking about the condensing fan. The condensing fan of which we use it is the high efficiency and low noise condensing fan, and in order to make it high performance to heat transfer and to reduce the noise when it's running at a project site. And then I'm going to introduce you, it is the compressor. The compressor of what we use for our chiller is a corporate brand. This is the famous compressor brand named which with good performance and low energy consumption. And then it will be the electric valve. The electric valve is very important components to control the refrigerant, to make it has a specific or accurate temperature control of treated water. And then it will be the refrigerant tank. In order to have enough or sufficient refrigerant operation for our chiller, we have a very big vacuums of our very big Vulcan tank to make sure the refrigerant is sufficient to from condenser to evaporator and to the compressor. And finally, it will be the heat exchanger. This kind of heat exchanger is called a tube or shape type heat exchanger. It is from refrigerants to treated water heat exchange. And this kind of heat exchanger can be more than 10% efficiency compared to the generous tube type heat exchanger. Okay, so this is for the main component of our water chiller. And next, I'm going to talking about its operation. In order to make our chiller operations smooth operations without any problem, we Holtop engineers to set up many protection. Okay, so let's talking about the protection. First of all, there will be protection for the high pressure protection, low pressure protection, and the power protection, and the refrigerant leakage protection, high or low ambient temperature protection, and also have the protection for the electric expansion valve, and protection for the temperature sensor, no matter it's from outside or it's from the condenser side or from the evaporator side. Also, it has communication protection and power protection to make its power operation where no matter it is a sequence influence the operation. Okay, so this is the protection part, and then I'm going to talking about the modular operation. Since the chiller is modular design, so the chiller can be combined, is flexible to combine the different model together in order to meet the cooling capacity of the project of the height of the air side. For example, if customer asking 130 kilowatts cooling capacity, then we can recommend 2 pieces of 65 kilowatts to combine together. And the maximum of chiller of our modular chiller, which can combine together, is 16 pieces, which is a very wide range to meet the different kinds of project needs. Okay, so this is the combination of the water chiller. And second, I'm going to talking about the control. For each of the chiller, it has a function of control box on the inside of the chiller. So customer just need to connect the power and connect the weak point, a weak cable with the control panel, and to control the chiller and the water pump. And except that, if the project combine a lot of chiller, then customer can have a PLC and integrated control system to up computer, so that customer can track and setting the chiller on their machine room. This is also an integration for the far distance control. Okay, and most importantly, each of our water chiller resolved RS1485 control port with Modbus. And to this point, which means a customer can connect our port to their BMS to have integration control for their project. Okay, so this is something about our modular water chiller. And in terms of its model, currently we have 2 models. In terms of cooling, the basic model is 65 kilowatts, and the upgrade one is 130 kilowatts for cooling. When it's for heating, the lower capacity is 63 kilowatts, and the higher one is 130 kilowatts heating. So no matter heating or cooling, we can always find our solution. I mean, to find our units to combine and to supply the cooling chilled water or heating hot water to your project. Okay, so that is all for our water chiller, and hope all these are helpful for you. If you are interested or if you have any project at hand which requests to have a modular water chiller, you are welcome to contact us and to write email to our sales team, and they are going to answer you. Okay, so that's all. Thank you.